welcome back to my channel. My name is Clement Favor. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you are very welcome. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you guys. In today's videos, guys, I'll be doing as you can see in the topic down below, 15 things I cannot do without. But before I start, I would like to say a big thank you to Bianca Belesa Guest, because she actually tagged me in a video, in this video that I'm about to do. So I'll be thinking, like, she posted as on Monday and today is Tuesday. I'm just doing this video, so I will see if I can post it today or tomorrow. Guys, thank you so much for all my amazing subscribers. Thank you guys. I really appreciate your support and your love. So guys, let's pop into the video. The first thing I cannot do without, we already know that, is God. Like, without God we are nothing. So I can't do without God. Like, He owes everything. Like His grace, everything, like everything about me from the start to the end, from the beginning of the genesis of my life to the revelation of my life, He owes it. So I owe God everything. So that is the first thing. Then the second thing, I don't want to make mistake, guys, I write everything down. The second thing is my child. Yes, I cannot do without her. She is my best friend. She is my sister. We are so close. Like, we are so close. She's just so amazing. Though she's still little, but I see her as somebody that is big, because the way she does things, you can't even believe that is a little girl that is doing this. So that is for that. The third thing I cannot do without is my family. You know, my family, I will base it on two sides: my own family where I came from, and my family that I am married into, like my own family, you understand, and my husband. So that is what I'm talking about. I cannot do without them. You know, they are, without my family I will not be, maybe, like, be born into this world. And without my husband I will have not been married, maybe, or I will have not given birth to this beautiful daughter. So I can't do without the both, you understand. And the same with my husband's family as well. So that is what the third thing. The fourth thing I cannot do without is my breath. If you don't breathe, you don't die. Oh. So if you don't breathe, you are dead. Like, arrivederci, ciao, rest in peace. I cannot do without it, because if you take away breath out of somebody's life, the person is rest in peace. So I don't want to be rest in peace, and I'm not rest in peace. And the fifth thing I cannot do without is prayer. I'm not holy, I'm not perfect, I'm not righteous, but it's just something that is part of me. It's something that is part of me right from time. It's something I cannot do without. I cannot do without praying. Like, even if, you know, there are some days in your life, like, you have a long day, like stress day, you are so tired, you are so stressed out, and at the end you just get home, you just eat, you just bath and just jump into the bed and sleep. I actually see myself waking up by 1 or 2, and when I wake up, what is always in my mind or always in my head? Pray. You have not prayed, pray. So I cannot do without prayer. I cannot even forget it. Like, I cannot, even if I forget it, I still eventually wake up at night to pray. So that is for that. That is number 5. So number 6 thing I cannot do without is water. Oh Jesus, I cannot do without water. Like, I drink water a lot. I don't know. In my room, you will find a can of water. In the kitchen, a can of water. In the living room, a can of water. In the dining, a can of water. Everywhere. It's only the bathroom that there is no can of water. Anywhere, like, all the parts or all the rooms in this my house is full of can of water. Anywhere, like, my husband have already know that anywhere I see the can, you know that is mine. He will just keep it safe for me. Like, your can is here, or your water is here, or because I don't like to stress myself. When I go there, I know that there's water there, instead of me to be, you know, stress myself up and down. I cannot do without water. Me and water, we are 5 and 6, like best friend. 5 and 6. 7th I cannot do without. It's my cornrow. Guys, I cannot do without my cornrows. Either you like it or not, take it or you leave it. This cornrow, I cannot do without it. I cannot do without cornrow. Like, I can't stay without doing braid, like all those buds braid, doing fixing my hair with, but this cornrow is part of me. Like, is me. I cannot do without cornrow. If I take this off now, as you can already see, it's scattered. I have it was, I think, 2 weeks now, almost 2 weeks, and it's scattered, and I will just lose it, redo it again. That is just me for you. So especially in the summertime, I don't braid my hair. Like, for what? Why should I braid my hair? I don't braid it. I just cornrow it like this, and it's just there. Whenever the sun is too hot, I just put water in my head. My head is just relax, no stress, just like that. The only time I consider making my hair or fixing, if we want to call it a wig, is during winter when there is cold. That is when I consider it. Sometimes I don't even feel like I just wear wig if I feel like, or wear that my beretto. Finito basta. Così. So the 8th thing I cannot do without is music. I like music. Cannot do without music. Like, I don't know, either I'm listening to it on phone or I just from the TV or anything, but music is music. Like, I just love it. Then the number 19 I cannot do without is singing. I cannot stay. I don't know. I have never imagined myself like staying a whole day without singing, like without singing. Like, I don't know any type of song, but I will just sing. I cannot see myself not singing. Even today, I cannot count how many times I've sung today, and I will still sing until I sleep today. So it's it's something I cannot do without. So no further cozy. Then the number 10 thing I cannot do without is money. Now Ebelego, you know that, Benin we say you go no gear. I cannot do without it, because though I'm not a lover, like, but money good now, you understand, to look good, to buy things, to buy stuff, you need money. You not go and borrow, or you drink garri for the rest of your life. Even the garri self now money you still buy. That is just it. So money is compulsory, is necessary, is what me, like, in fact, anybody cannot do without. Those that are rich cannot do without money. Those that are poor cannot do without money. So live on like that. So the number 11 thing I cannot do without is food. This one, food. Actually, I'm not a lover of food. As you just see me swagging, I'm not a lover of food. I prefer drinking. Like, I drink water like more than food. If water should be food, I would choose water more than food. So, but it's necessary. It's something we do on daily basis. Everybody, nobody can deny this one. Nobody can say, this girl like food. I like food, but not be like that. I dey eat am small. So the number 12 thing I cannot do without is phone. We're in the modern generation now, 25th century. I'm not an old woman. They gbebe all those gbebe phone. Yeah, no those gbebe phone when they acting I go long like this. I not be all those kind of days. So anywhere we are going, in fact, the world is inside the phone, or is that inside our phone. So everybody cannot do that. For even little children now, they cannot do that phone. Not talk of agric like me, like big woman like me. So that one is not that I'm lover, but I can stay without it for maybe for some hours, for some days, but not for my own life. That one is not me. Then the number 30 thing I cannot do is always saying thank you. I don't know, even if I don't know how to put this on, but it's just something that is part of me all my life, every day of my life, every seconds of my life, every minute of my life, I always say thank you. I don't know, maybe I ask my daughter, I me to bring water, she bring it, I'll say thank you, you are very kind. So the number 14 thing I cannot do without is saying please. These two things, I don't know, they are part of me. Can you please, even if it's just, even my small daughter said, can you please, I'll see if I cannot do without. Please subscribe. I don't talk the please. And the number 15 thing I cannot do without is sleep. I like sleep anyhow. Take it or you leave it. I like sleep anyhow. No judge me. Not say this woman you not get work. I get work, but sleep is very necessary because this our body. There are times that the body need to relax. Not be like not be for mat, body need to relax. There are some times what you need when you are tired or you have headache is not paracetamol, it's not tachypirina, it's not Panadol, it's not anything. It's just rest. It's just for you to just close your eyes for like 30 minutes, 1 hour, just relax and just sleep. All your body could just calm down. That is me. I hardly take medicine. So the cure of my headache or the cure to my tiredness is sleep. Sleep, relax body, you look fresh, you look young. There you don't young message where you can't old past your age. So sleep is very necessary, it's very compulsory. So guys, this is the 50 things I cannot do without. Sister Bianca Pelesa, guys. See, when you told me that I should do this video, like I was like, 50 things I cannot do. This is really going to be sweet, like it's going to be sweet, like see what people cannot do without. I think we should do this often because there are a lot of things we cannot do without, but this is just the few things I can just pick out now because this is what I do on daily basis. This is my life. This is this is part of me. Everything I just measure is part of me. Is like, it's not that I don't have to say it, but they are necessary. In fact, the necessary long. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you for watching my video. If you have not subscribed, your sister is this fine girl, oh god, one name Biko, subscribe, please subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you guys, and I will also say a big thank you to Bianca Pelesa. Guys, I don't know, this my makeup is coming out every time. It's coming out perfectly well. I'm not a makeup artist, but achieving this, like, I'm proud of myself. So thank you, sis. Keep on doing your good works. Thank you everyone that is being tagged on this video. Thank you guys. Love you guys. See you all in my next video. Bye.